I actually don't know. Oh. Looks like it's just a gaping hole, Luis. Why is it just a gaping hole?
Our ass is gonna look like after you can't fucking finish this shit. Look,
That's what you're
that shit right there, like, it doesn't have that part. You see?
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Like, it doesn't even have the fucking part in there.
Oh, I get what you mean. What the fuck?
But look, on this part,
We bought faulty coilovers.
on this part, it says that it has it, and it's fucking part 20.
Oh shit. I honestly don't even know why it says that. It says it doesn't have this part. That's what I was looking at too right now too.
Yeah, like
I saw this
doesn't-
in there in the little thing, and then it said it wasn't in there. So I was like,
But
well,
where else does your fucking end link go?
right there. Well, it go this thing, into that thing. They should start into that thing right there.
Well, yeah, that thing to where? Is it fucking dangling? It has to go here.
No, it does go in there. That's what I'm saying. But we need to tighten this.
How? That doesn't even make sense to go on threads unless you fucking cross thread it this way. Fucking shove a screwdriver in it.
Shit.
Maybe that's what this is for.
What? Oh yeah, have you tried tightening it and then tightening
No,
it?
but I don't want to fucking tighten it too much and then fucking strip it.
I don't think you'll strip it. I honestly think you won't.
I honestly think I already did.
I highly doubt you did. Strip the thread or the bolt?
Oh. Let's compare here.
Nah.
Kinda.
Nah. You're good.
Oh.
Luis is gonna be my mechanic from now on.
Fuck, dude, this shit's pissing me off.
It's pissing me off. You've been at this for too long. Way too long. Yeah, we'll probably be back when we have something or nothing pops up. Alright, so we finally figured out that we were doing this wrong to an extent.
Kind of.
No, not really. We just weren't tightening it hard enough. And I think that's the last piece of the puzzle. And the rest of this should be pretty much a quick and easy install because we finally figured it out.
This thing's offset.
Offset. Ooh. Ooh. But yeah. So probably be back when we're either done with this or something else pops up. So yeah, be right back. Alright, so we ended up installing the coilovers in the rear, not the front yet. It's taken us about 5 hours to do this. I'm legit dying out here because man's out here may have or may not have forgotten how to put on brakes. I let him try to put on my brakes. Didn't work out. Luis, any thoughts on this?
I'm a monkey.
Yeah, he absolutely fucked my brakes. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up finishing this tomorrow, if anything. If Luis cannot put my brakes back together. He says he's gonna put my brakes back together, but I highly doubt it. Oh, nope. Alright, well yeah. I have the front one ready to go here. About to take it off, took off the brake line, disconnected it. Just need these 3 bolts. I'm just waiting for the green light from Luis to try and get this. Cause I know we still need to bleed the brakes. That's a fucking tongue twister and a half. But yeah, I'll see y'all when we probably get that done. Alright guys, so we're back. We fucking gave up. No, we didn't really give up, but yeah, it's getting kind of late. He's tired. I'm tired. Also, we need a special tool for the brakes because apparently the calipers don't fit, and yeah, we need a special tool for that. So we're gonna probably end up picking that up tomorrow. If anything, probably pick this up right back tomorrow. So see y'all in a bit. Alright, so I'm back here with the quick little thing. My car is fucking slammed. Holy shit. I can't get any finger in there. Oh yeah. Yeah, and this side's also cambered to shit. It's like look at that. Oh my god, it's also fucking like this. It's not straight. It's like this. But the other side, yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this side because this side's not cambered at all. But yeah, this side is also. Oh, am I fucking touching? Oh, I might be fucking touching. Nah, I'm not touching, huh? No, we check, yeah.
Barely.
Yeah, I'm not touching. It feels like it, but watch it. Get the light in. Look at that shit.
Feels like 1/8 of a fucking inch.
That's even less, bro. I can't even. Yeah. It's pretty bad. I mean, it's not bad. That's how I like it. Slam to the fucking floor. And the car looks absolutely insane now. It looks good. Looks really good. Except for the front, it's still monster truck looking. Because I haven't installed the front ones. We had to actually move it inside because Luis is about to leave. Yeah. Other than that, I think that's it. We need to fucking change the brakes on like all my car. Change the starter because my starter's actually going out. And what else do we need?
Brakes.
I just said the brakes.
That's it. Oh, bleed your brakes.
Oh yeah, we need to bleed them. But yeah, probably gonna do that tomorrow. Oh yeah, drop the front. Oh yeah, my car's getting a lot of oil too. Did not realize that. Yeah, I'm gonna drop the front to the absolute floor too. My car looks fucking sick, bro. I absolutely love this thing. It is so fire. Too bad the front's not like that. Look at it. It's like this at an angle and shit.
Looks like it's jacked up.
Yeah, that is insane. That is insane.
That's your entire hand fucking gone. This.
Yeah, it was like this, but because we literally been doing this for like how long, Luis? We got here at 3. I think I picked you up at 3. We started working on this at 3:30.
8 hours.
8 fucking hours. 8 hours. I don't even know how long this video gonna be. It's like my first video ever and I'm fucking making it like long as shit. Yeah, I mean, other than that, see y'all tomorrow when I probably actually get this done. I don't know if Luis is gonna come back. Probably. If not, I'm probably just gonna end up doing this by myself. But yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. What the fuck is that? Alright, well I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, we're back. It's the next day. I ended up installing both the coilovers on each side. We had to actually roll the fenders. I don't know if you can see that. They are now rolled. Just not all the way because they didn't need to be rolled all the way. And yeah, now I'm installing the front ones. The front ones actually have these. These are like adjustable so you can add camber to your car. But other than that, I tried to do as much as I could today. I woke up super late. I'm gonna have to take another day, probably tomorrow. Yeah, other than that, see y'all the next day. I didn't really record that much of me doing the front coilover and stuff, so yeah, see y'all tomorrow again. Today we are going to be installing the front half of the coilovers. In the other video, I kind of realized that I really didn't explain on how to install the actual back coilovers. I was just being a complete fucking idiot. So basically, to take off the actual strut, we have to take off these 3 bolts. These hold the actual strut in place. And then right here, you have to take off these bolts. These bolts hold the strut to the axle. And then you have to take off the brake line in my car because the brake line was attached on the old springs. Well, you guys can't see, but on the old springs, this is actually closed off. I can't actually like slide my finger through it, so the brake line you can actually put in there. And then for the end links, you also have brand new end links because yeah, I don't have this screwed in yet because I think we were taking off this so we could redo the brakes. But other than that, we did have this. But other than that, the end links are basically in there to keep the sway bar from, you know, rolling and shit, even though I haven't screwed it in, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to fix that right now. What else did we do? Oh, we ended up rolling the fenders. Rolling the fenders a lot. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see me rolling the fenders. It's really dark in there. Let me flashlight. Yeah, we also ended up rolling the fenders. Look at, as you guys can see right there, it actually sticks out, and then you go up more and it is completely rolled. So yeah, because also there's a lot of camber now. I fixed the camber in both the wheels because that wheel right there had more camber than the other wheel. And yeah, that is it. Okay, so we just lowered the car, as you guys can see. It is lower than what we started off with, but it's not as low as I want it. Cambering the car made the alignment off by a lot. This wheel is curved in a lot. Pretty sure my wheel is straight. Yeah, it is pretty straight. Gonna have to fix that, but other than that, I mean, it looks good. The camber looks good, but yeah, we're gonna want to drop that more because I don't like it that high. Still looks a little too high for me. But yeah, this is a really lengthy process because you have to trial and error it all and just work with what you got. So now we know that you have to drop it just a little bit more. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. We ended up installing the coilover successfully. As you can see, the rear ones basically I have a finger width. I can't go too low because obviously these wheels still don't fit. These ones are also, it's a finger width. This one's actually might be a little bit smaller. But yeah, the only thing we need to fix on these is that my tires are not straight. The wheel is straight. Look at how bent this one is, and it is literally crooked in, like slanted in this way. Compared to that one, look at this one is like that, and this one is, well, it's straight. This one, I don't think the wheel's straight, but yeah, they are straight. But other than that, just adjust the alignment on the car, and everything should be good. Other than that, that is it for today's video. Probably have a review coming on these later this week probably. I'm gonna review it. I don't know when that video is gonna come out, but yeah, once again, if you guys like this, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.